Oh, I feel like coffee. Oh shit. One hour. Let's share it here. Okay, that's Discord. So, let me just quickly check. Does this lead to my current video? I gotta get to know. I got the old one 18 minutes ago. That should work. Alright, and I also do want to say, sorry about the canvas here. Like, OBS wouldn't let me like fit the whole thing, and it used to do it, but not anymore. So I apologize for that, but other than that, let's get started. So obviously this is where we start from yesterday. I did like this, I did these two, these three. We included the GLAD library, the GFW, the printing, you know, we initialized GFW, we went through the basic stuff, made a window, we learned that, we, you know, did some OpenGL viewports, you know. Then we, you know, videos. We basically had this loop here and be able to make like a triangle. Not a triangle, I mean like a colored background. Then we did this and we copied it, you know, we put all the code here at the end. And in this loop we also made a triangle as well. This is, you know, so it's pretty common stuff. I'm just beginning to learn this. But this is the vertices for a triangle, so that means that this whole code is basically, you know, this basically like I'll compile it again to show you how I do it. Whenever I put this actually creates an error for one of fully resize the window reactions error. So you compile this. This is just a warning, just ignore this. And then we run the program. And what we got here is basically the background, a pull-up background, and a triangle, right? Using vertices, vertices. You can resize it, you can do this, no error, close it, and you can also close it with an escape key. So today we're gonna just, after triangle, we're gonna go do shaders, which is, you know, right over here. Pretty simple stuff, and we're gonna do that. It's gonna change something. Do I put this? I don't. I think I put this aside the shader. STD. I'm gonna change it. I don't know where to put this, so I'll put it here. Yeah, I'll put it. Beginning. I'll put it. So it goes guys, I'll put speed. Oh, damn. Wait. How do you variables together? You just put a comma. I get you. Then you can just close this up and just check if this does compile. So it's over here. So GCC, let's see. What the? I accidentally entered bash. What the fuck? I shouldn't type too fast. Alright, so nope. Compile successfully. Remember, this is just a warning. Never add the executable stack, and we actually know what we actually had some other errors going there. Yeah, obviously it doesn't do anything here. What the fuck? It works for sure, but my friend, it literally maximum of number of reviews that should be supported. This is very stupid. Is this meant to go inside of a function? Or something? I don't know. Oh, wait a sec. It's probably meant to tell me if it's supported or not, but it is on this computer. Maximum number of vertex attributes supported. It's good. I'll try to put myself behind the camera more. Okay, types. GLSL, also known as the shading language, uses OpenGL and Vulkan, I think. Which I'll be doing in the future. Vulkan will be in the future. So GLSL has, like any other programming language, it has a variable you want to work with. Fair enough. GLSL is default basic type of language like C, double, fair enough, enable. Vectors, matrices. For graphical stuff, we will discuss matrices in the later chapter. Vectors. A vector in GLSL is a 2, 3, or 4 component container of any basic types just mentioned. You can take the following form. This. Learning allows us to see things like this. Cool. You can use any combination of the 4 letters to create a new vector of the same type, as long as the original vector has components. Oh, that's a bit confusing. This shit. A vector, rect, so ins and outs. Says so you can move something around. Seems to look the same, almost the same. So this is vertex shader. So, outfall, we don't have any outfall. Okay, so I see that. Oh no, we got the color is in the fragment shader, isn't it? Frag color, not vertex color. So can our triangle look more colorful now? I don't understand what's going on. Spec color output in fragment shader. This should be the case. Right, so this doesn't. Oh, I see. I don't think this will work. So if we compile it, something not gonna work. It's something wrong here. Apparently not. Oh, it's correct actually. Same time. Oh, so we're linking them together. I get that, I kinda get that. Color equals vertex color, okay. Alright, now we should see a red color. There we go. All we did was just change the shader color, which is it's meant to learn that. I know that. You have to go through that process. So I'm wondering, how is everyone's morning going? Are we doing okay? Okay, seems to be people watching. Yeah. You can see we declared a vertex color variable as a vector output that we set a vertex shader, and then we declare a similar vertex color input in the fragment shader. The same type of name. I think to yeah, I was assuming that the vertex color in the vertex shader because we set the color to a dark red color. The dark red color shows up. Wunderbar is awesome. There we go. We just managed to send a value from the vertex shader to fragment shader. Let's spice it up a bit and see if we can send a color from the application to fragment shader. What does that mean? Uniforms. Uniforms are another way to pass data from application to the CPU. Shaders in the GPU. Okay. Application in the CPU shaders GPU performs really different compared to additional. Uniform variable is unique. The values until they either reset or updated. Triangle via uniform. Okay. Sounds cool. So instead of in vec for you're gonna put uniform. This is for frag. It's for frag, so yeah. Let's change this. per color equals our color. We didn't declare that before. We did. We wrote it before. We declare a uniform vector for our color in bracket shader. Oh, that's cool. We can define them in any shader stage we like, so no need to go through the direction again. We can type into a fragment shader. We're not using this uniform in the direction because we need to define it here. So we can just do it here or anywhere in the code. I'm sure if you declare a uniform is used anywhere in your GSO code, GSO code, also we need to go to. This is because let's keep this in mind. The uniform is currently empty. If I already updated the uniform yet, shut up. For over time. So I don't think I put this in the shader. I don't think the shader's gonna understand that. Float time on. GL use program, shader program, uniform for data score location. Very wow. That's it. Says first we treat running time and second is GFW time and the color in the range of 0. Color in the range of type. Uniform 5, what we basically use the FB rating. Now that we notice that the values of uniform variables using for rendering, we want to follow gradually change. We want this every frame member would contain a single solid color value and update the okay, we already are in the whole time we're already being inside of here. Process input, that's it. And this is under this. I think this will probably go after. We're gonna go after this. Honestly, it's always good to just experiment with the code. And we'll see what it says. We're gonna put the compiler so we'll just take no big deal. Okay, I basically redeclared this so many times. So, math. Wait, math.h. Wait, I put it in between. So, first use okay. Let's see this. So 50 over here. First of all, we didn't declare shader product. Absolutely wild. We'll see what if we are What? I didn't even save it. Okay, just one error. This is the problem over here. Let's find out. Hello? Oh, thanks, man. Thanks. So, I might cheat here and I might, declare this, again before this one. It would work. Well, hopefully the program doesn't throw anything at me. I think we'll have some problems though. Oh, I know what to do. So when it comes to this, I simply put it after this. No errors intended, right? This is after it was declared. Everything here is just not declarable. God, what do you want me to do? Let me just wake this up. On the 6th. Okay. So I literally just put fragment shaded source. Something's telling me I'm doing something terribly wrong. So I just know I'm doing something wrong. I'm sure I have to move this somewhere. I don't know where. I literally don't know where. So I hope it doesn't do anything weird. I don't see any. No. It's just I want to see what happens. So is this an error here? Possibly, right? There we go. Yep, news. Was finished. Oh, it works. No way, I actually compiled it. Wow, I just want to check. Just a warning, this is symbol. Oh, I gotta be kidding me. We're very close. We're almost close. We're gonna get a triangle that changes colors over time. Seems to be. Wait, am I missing something? No, everything's fine. I don't have to do any extra libraries. You know, when I was using glue, I had to, but glad is just thematic, I guess. You don't have to include it. Undefined reference to symbol sin. Where is it? I don't see sin over here. Like, you gotta be kidding me. I don't see it here. I don't see it. Okay, now I do. Yeah, but because it comes after the shades, it comes after. But it should work. It should work. Oh, there's a link in the lib. Okay, I did something wrong with the program that I don't know about yet. Did something very wrong. God help me. Triangle. Okay, this comes before the triangle. Then that should be correct. Yeah. There you go. This obviously comes after the. Yeah, so this comes. Stores in top here. Process input window. Should work, and it's saved. Let's see if there's any errors. I made it worse. Actually, no, I didn't. It's the same. I thought I couldn't see properly here for a second. That doesn't change anything for this. It says check out the source code here if you're stuck. W. Because the code is a relatively straightforward adaptation of the previous code. This time we have the uniform value each frame before drawing the triangle. Makes sense? The uniform correctly, you should see the color of the triangle gradually change from green to black and back to green. Or you C map. I understand. Yeah, come in. Come in. Come in. Come in, it's alright, come in. Come in. Why are you giving me biscuits?
Mom told me to.
Alright, thanks. Okay. I don't need some biscuits. It's very illegal. Alright. CMAF. Does CMAF even exist in C? Is it like a C++ thing that we just put math? Yeah. Yeah, I suspected it wouldn't exist. Yeah, OpenGL is a C library, so it would work with C. I never did that. No, I did this correctly. No one does. Oh. Deck 4 I'll color. Okay. Oops. I had to order stuff a bit different over here. Purge shows everything on like all the GL functions, literally. Even the VBOs decided the window thing, it still worked, right? So, is it a problem right now though? I honestly have no idea. And for sure we can do it, yeah. It'll make it a lot easier to organize stuff, because literally when it comes to code, I organize a bit, not really, I don't even organize that much to be honest. This is not organization here. Yeah. Where did I go? Where did this go? This was a double? We have it like once, you don't even use it so many times. Just put it there. I think I'm even have to fix this part. Might have some progress here. I do have to work in my C. Like it's improved, but I still should actually learn the language more. Actually program it properly. I mean I can do it more properly now, right? See the compile errors are going, right? But I think I should just learn it in depth. I can do that. I might do it off video, you know? want to try avoid using AI. I mean, I might use it later, but I want to avoid using it as much as I can. Because if I want to learn how to use OpenGL on my own, so that's something I'm gonna do. So I want to copy this over to. Well, so look here, okay? I do want to check, so I'm sure if I compile this will work, right? Obviously, but this could not like it. So it puts this out of the thing, out of code. Wow. But I could do this, but yeah, I'll do it. So how long are we streaming? 40 minutes. Okay, I can call it a wrap for now. But I'm just a bit tired. I just want to go cool down a bit. When we stream the next time, I can just go reorganize the code, make it stream for 1 hour again. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Peace.